Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am going to show you my current and long-standing cleansing routine. Basically I'm going to show you what I have been doing for years now to remove my makeup at the end of the day. So for about 4 to 3 years I've been using the Klairs Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil, and recently I got my hands on the new Klairs Gentle Black Cleansing Puff, which is a PVA cleansing puff to help remove makeup with an oil cleanser and exfoliate the skin. So generally I always use 2 pumps of cleansing oil and apply it straight on to my makeup at the end of the day and massage it deeply into my skin. Usually I would always go over my eyes as well, but because I have false eyelashes on, eyelash extensions, I cannot use any oil cleansers on them or the extensions would come off. So today I'm just going to be demoing how I apply it on my skin, my lips, on the under eye area, forehead, and eyebrows. I always deeply massage it into my skin to thoroughly remove my makeup, and if you look closely, you can probably see the makeup actually lifting to the surface of my skin and collecting within the oil. And that is because oil attracts makeup and other oil products and ingredients that are on top of the skin. Once that is done being massaged in, I go in with the puff when it's damp and literally just wipe away all the makeup. And you may be wondering why my puff looks a little weird, and that's because I thought it could be cleaned with rubbing alcohol to sanitize it, which I'm warning you now you cannot do. So if you want to deep clean any kind of cleansing puff that's made from PVA, I am warning you it's going to melt when you do that. So that's why mine looks a little misshapen. So only use antibacterial soap if you're going to ever clean your cleansing puff. But as you can see, the damp puff on its own literally wiped all the makeup away and off of my skin perfectly. Now, this is where you would go in second with a cleansing foam if you have oily to combination skin, or you can go in with a second round of cleansing oil. And because my skin has been very dry recently, I'm just going to go in with a second round of cleansing oil to help ensure that all of the makeup, dirt, and built up oils throughout the day have been completely lifted from my pores and removed from my skin. So once that is massaged in, I'm just going in with the cleansing puff after it's been rinsed out thoroughly and wiping away that oil again. And I'm also rubbing a little more roughly on my skin to exfoliate away any dead skin cell buildup that I might have, which I get really often. So for me, it's essential that I regularly exfoliate my skin, and I am loving this Klairs cleansing puff for that because it has a little bit of a rough texture, but it's not too rough, so I'm able to use it daily to exfoliate my skin gently without it being over exfoliated. Have you guys ever had that where you've over exfoliated your skin and it gets really raw for the next few days and it actually makes your skin more dry and red and irritated? Because I've been there so many times. It's not fun. But that is it for my cleansing routine. I have been using this oil cleansing method for years now, and I have to say I am in love with the new Klairs cleansing puff. It is like hands down new favorite cleansing tool to use other than a cleansing brush. So thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, comment down below, and of course subscribe to see more. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!